Trucks. Helloooimjensen, what's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. So we got Rob, Dab Squatch Films. We got Alex back there. We are on our way to a truck meet. Rob's taking some pictures. If you have not booked a photo shoot with Rob yet, you need to book a shoot. Family pictures, dog pictures, portraits, whatever. He's the guy to go to. So hit him up, Dab Squatch Films on Instagram. But he's got some shoots booked at this truck meet, so we're going out there, and there might be some little things there. So stay tuned. We're on the way. Trucks on trucks, pulling up in a truck. What?
Up in a truck? What? Truck, yeah, baby.
Truck, yeah, mother trucker.
We all back in at truck meets? Is that what's going on?
Yeah, dude, you got a truck?
Dude, I don't have to park anywhere. I got a truck.
All right, trucks. Trucks. This thing is clean. I'm not gonna lie. That truck sounds hella good. Trucks. Cummins with a slap. Alright. That's pretty clean. It's for all my truck people out there. It's a lot of trucks. This motherfucker is so tall. Jesus Christ. Some real show truck shit. He chromed, hella suspension parts. God damn. Powder coated. Shit. What size lift do you think this is?
He's on some 28, so.
This shit is huge. Big ass airbags. Everything chromed. God damn. That's crazy. Got a drop hitch. F2 Liddy. Alright, cuz. He's got 2 dents in the back of that bed, though. I found the only thing wrong with the whole truck. For real, he backed into something. Jesus, dude. Shout out to whoever this is, though. F2 Liddy. This is a giant ass truck. Built by B. God damn. Nice random GT350 in this shop. Clean. Rob's over there getting her done. Doing the first shoot. There's a lot of different girls spread out everywhere, so there's different trucks that different girls want to take pictures with, so getting it all worked out, but that's crazy. Highlighter orange. Then we got some more trucks. We got bored at the truck meet. There's a club right here, so we're gonna go check it out.
Of course.
How's it going? What's up?
So all of our pre-rolls will be right here.
Oh, I like the raw garden ones.
Have you tried the solventless light hash?
I haven't.
Yeah, so these are the newest ones that came out. Honestly, pretty good. I just needed one to just kill it, man.
Give you all my ones.
16 exactly. You're all set?
Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. Have a good one, man.
Thanks, man.
Come back.
You too, thank you.
Thank you.
They give it to us in a suspicious ass brown bag. Oh yeah, more trucks. Trucks. So how's it going?
It's going.
How's the shoot?
Hey, there's women.
How many have you done? Just one?
2. Yeah.
Knocking them out.
Knocking them out.
Hell yeah, getting her done.
Yeah, I got it.
Alright. Some talent. This thing's pretty clean. A bunch of white and red. You got the lights on the damn rotors. Alright. Huh?
That's orange.
Oh, that is orange.
them Stay Shitty shades.
I had them shades on. Make sure you go get them at stayshittymerch.com. Yeah, that is orange. My bad. It's definitely not white and red. That shit sound like a jet. That shit sound crazy. That boy got a powder coated exhaust tip. Trucks. Look how big this fucking truck is. We got everything done under there. Now that's actually red. That is a tall ass fucking truck, dude. I don't know. It's just a show truck, I guess. Cause he ain't mobbing this motherfucker nowhere. I guarantee it. Damn. That's crazy. Little GMC. Big GMC.
That's my shit. Yeah, I see that. I like that. Being simplified.
Trucks.
Trucks. Deal with dab squad.
Things I be doing.
Make sure you guys book a shoot with my guy.
Or not. It doesn't matter either way. Trucks.
That's a lot of yellow. Wow. Damn. The barrels. Nuts. The Rumblebee. Alright. I think it's time for Applebee's.
Ooh, chicken tenders.
Applebee's. Alright. We seen the trucks. We seen the hoes. We're out of here, man. We're going to Applebee's. Applebee's.
It ain't a truck meet till you get kicked out of Applebee's.
Applebee's. All right, let's go fight soldier.
2 for $25. Dude, this thing is whooped. Indiana Jones.
Shit, Indiana Jones. We getting a bucket? One of them buckets? We should get like every appetizer on the menu.
You want to give me a blue Bahama Mama?
One of them's?
Yeah.
Captain Morgan, Johnny? Blue Bahama Mama. Ooh, I might do the Terramana joint.
Gummy sharks? Yes.
You're getting gummy sharks too?
Yes.
Fucking savage.
It always cracks me up. They got like high school kids' pictures all over the walls in here.
Yeah, it's kind of a little creepy.
They do that in Pinole too. I guess they do that everywhere once they took the clown art off the wall.
What the fuck is that?
You remember all that weird stuff that was on the wall? It's like a nightmare in those places. Shark bait.
Applebee's.
Yeah, they got gummies on.
Gummy in here?
You got a gummy, dog.
Oh, I do have a gummy.
What kind of gummy did you get?
Oh, a pineapple gummy?
Swinger gummies.
Chicken quesadilla, the onion rings, and the mozzarella sticks. Shit, man.
Oh boy.
Oh boy, it's a party. Jeez. We got the chicken strips.
We just sold out on the chicken strips.
Chicken strips. We took every chicken strip in the Applebee's. That shit was a solid 3 out of 10. It's fucking disgusting. What would you rate it?
Probably like a 9.5 out of 10.
Probably a good old 10 out of 10, you know.
I rated it a 3. July 1st, I will be in Purton, Texas at the Texas House of Power event. It'll be my first time in Texas, so come out, show some love. It's gonna be fun. I know it's gonna be hot down there. I'm getting some exclusive t-shirts made, Hello logo on the front and the outline of Texas on the back, and I think they will only be at this one event in Texas, so make sure you pull up, get an exclusive shirt, and come say what's up. Purton, Texas, July 1st, like I said. go to the Texas House of Power Instagram, go grab a ticket. I know that there's a limited amount of sliders tickets, but the spectators tickets are unlimited. So grab a ticket and come have some fun. July 1st, Purton, Texas. Come through. I'll see you guys there.
We're in Las Vegas, victory lane for Fox Television. Ricky Bobby, today's big winner. Heck of a win for you today, but it seems as if you either win or crash the car trying to win.
Well, Dick, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence, and nobody can hang with my stuff. You know, I'm just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first,
The bumper
you're last.
kind of good there,
You know,
my guy.
that's what I'm talking about. That phrase, trademark, not for Ricky Bobby.
They didn't see nothing.